What happens next? What at that plant? What have you told the 1,200 employees who work there?
Well, what we've told people is that we have a lot of confidence in McNeil. First of all, I think that people have to understand we have confidence in the company itself. But we've gone in and we brought in outsiders. We brought in our own people. I guess the first thing we did is we stopped manufacturing. We took the products off the market. We're not releasing any product from the facility. We brought in outsiders. We're working closely with the FDA. We brought our best people inside to really identify what are the issues and to make sure we resolve those issues and then get the products back in the market. The thing that is so disappointing in this whole thing is that there are patients that need these products. There are people that depend on this and rely on it. And that is the thing that is most distressing, I think, to all of us here, is that we have let those people down. We've also let other people at J&J down. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we are working diligently to resolve any of the issues in that facility and then to make sure we get these products back in the hands of the people that need them and ensure that they are of the standards and the quality that people would expect from a product coming from Johnson & Johnson.
You say you have confidence in McNeil. Does that extend to McNeil management? Some people would say, well, look, there have been 4 recalls in the past 7 months. Does this indicate a larger issue, and is there a need to change that management?
I think there's an issue in certain areas of McNeil, and I think we have addressed those. As I said, we've brought in really expert people from throughout J&J as well as external people to come in and deal with this. You have to realize this is a manufacturing issue. There are many other people at McNeil who are dealing with customers, and this is not to say this is a broad brush McNeil issue or a broad brush Johnson & Johnson issue. It is an issue we have in a manufacturing facility. It is a huge disappointment. I cannot stress that enough. And our heart really does go out to the people that use these products and need them. But it is not against the whole organization. But there are definitely people that will be changed and have been changed, and others brought in to make sure we're going to get the right people in the facility doing the right things.
These brands are very valuable to Johnson & Johnson, Tylenol, Motrin, Zyrtec, and so forth. What do you do in a situation like this to try to rebuild any damage that's been done to them?
You know, Jeff, I think the first thing we have to do is accept responsibility. I think we really have to, and I think we have a history of this, that if we do something wrong, our credo, which you referenced initially, is something that says we have to accept responsibility for our mistakes, and we made a mistake here. There's absolutely no doubt about that. We have to make sure that we are protecting the integrity of the people that use our products, which is, again, our first responsibility in our credo, and that means stopping shipping, stopping manufacturing, and getting these products out of the marketplace. The next thing we have to do is make sure that we have addressed these issues and that when we release the products back into the marketplace and do that as quickly as we possibly can at the standard and the safe, everything quality at the level that would be expected. And then we have to continue to live up to what our customers would expect and let them know. Let them know we are working for them, we're working hard for them, and we are severely disappointed in ourselves and owe them a huge apology. And I think from there we have to once again establish the strength that we have. The one thing that we found that is really rewarding, I guess, in a way, is that people have confidence in Johnson & Johnson. There's a lot of trust, there's a lot of confidence. They know we're going to do the right thing. And whether you look at it as the customers or the investment community, people have stuck by us and they will continue to stick by us. But we have to earn that. We have to earn it back. There's no doubt about it that people scratch their heads and say what happened, as we're doing, and we're finding out and we'll resolve it.